Hey guys, this is Soul from No Grum Studios. Just got home from football conditioning, and I want to tell you, I just got a package from Airsoft Atlanta. Well, I ordered it, but I got a bunch of new items from New Canton this weekend that should help me. So let's check what I got. Here's my box, and there's my pizza. There's my box, there's my pizza. Who's tempted to eat the pizza? I'm more tempted to open the box. Stay camera. Good camera. Using this very dull ass knife. Let me get some light in this bitch. Stay like folks. I'm gonna do this surgically professional. Yes, I'm a little hyped right now from football conditioning. Oh no. Bitch. As always, Airsoft Atlanta promotional card. Free magnet. Receipt. Peanuts! Ew, they're not peanuts. I'd rather have my pizza. No. Why did I just do that? Come on. UMP. That took a minute to remember. Battery? Battery. UMP battery? M4 battery. 9.6 volt. 8.4. 16 milliamps. 16 milliamps. 9.6 volt. Okay, there's nothing else in there. Fuck you. Okay, this is Soul out, and I'll be doing an upgrade video for my UMP soon. All I do is change the spring out. It's a UMP, so it's really easy to change the spring out. So, see y'all later.